Sahajaste means natural and authentic in me affirms natural and authentic in you. Loneliness is the experience of missing ourselves because our lives are not filled with our own energy, with our own being, with our own soul. It is filled with the events, relationship, people from outside. So, if one of those things, events, people, or relationship disappear, then there is a vacuum left. And what is the feeling of that vacuum? Loneliness. Of course, transient loneliness is quite normal, like any other feeling or emotion. The problem is a long loneliness because that can create despair, emptiness, anxiety, depression, meaninglessness, hopelessness in life. And that loneliness can appear at any age. It can be experienced as a child, young adult, or when we are old. And when event is significant means if a very significant person or relationship disappears from our life, that loneliness will be experienced at any time. But loneliness is a particular problem as we age. Why? Because people around us are dying. They are disappearing. They are no more. And a lot of people in our world are aging, so it is a real big problem. So much so that in England, they appointed a minister of loneliness. So the loneliness, the main cause is not disappearing of outside relationship or people. It is because our lives are not filled with our own being. We are missing ourselves. There is no inner fullness. So obviously a vacuum will be left if we filled it up from outside thing, relationship, or people. So how to deal with the loneliness? How not allow this loneliness to take over our life? Is to cultivate, to grow our inner being, our soul, our unique energy. And how we can do that? By going into our natural personality with which we were born. All of us without exception. Because that is our door to our soul or our being, our pure energies. So once we enter into our door, those will be unlocked, unblocked, and slowly they will fill up our body and mind. And after that, external things, events, people, relationship will disappear because that is the nature of life. Life is always in flux. And we will experience transient loneliness. But it won't be the loneliness of complete despair, of complete hopelessness, meaninglessness. Because still we will remain filled with our inner fullness. Sahajaste.